In this video, we're going to talk about categories. Categories are part of your item catalog, and they're really just a handy way to organize your materials and templates so you can find things faster. Let's jump right in and take a look. To find your categories list, you're going to open the Item Catalog menu and slide down here until it says Categories. Click that. You can see in our sample database, we've already set up some categories for you. Adding a new category is super easy. Just go over here to the New button. Let's say I want to add a category in here called Shrubs. I'll just go over here to the New and hit New. Then it asks me for a category name. So I'll put in Shrubs. I'll hit OK. That's it. Couldn't really be easier. If you need to edit or delete a category, you can use these buttons over here. So if I click Edit, I can change the name. Or if I just want to get rid of it, I can just hit Delete. Now it's important to realize that if I hit Delete on a category, it won't delete every single item you have in that category. So don't worry. It just deletes the category itself. All the materials that were part of that category will still be in your database. Now that you've seen how to create and edit and delete them, let's fast forward to the estimate screen now and see what it looks like to actually use these categories. So again, all these categories do is make it faster to find things. So for example, let's say I'm looking for gravel to add to my driveway. I go to the Add Items and Templates, and then I click the material. Now I could do a search for gravel, makes it really simple. Or if I can't find what I'm searching for, maybe I want to filter it down by category. So I'll click this drop down here and all my categories will show up here. I'll choose something like aggregates and sand if I'm looking for gravel, and it'll filter my materials list by just aggregates and sand. So that's it. Categories make it simpler to find stuff. For example, you could put all your materials relating to installing pavers in a category called pavers. That could be the pavers. It could also be the gravel and the linear edge and edge restraint and spikes and everything you're going to need when you're installing pavers. That way you've got one nice neat category with stuff organized. And even better, a material can be in multiple different categories. So I could have gravel in categories for pavers, for concrete, for flagstone. Anywhere a gravel might be used, I can put it in the category, and that way it'll show up multiple times depending on the category I'm looking for. Makes it a lot simpler and easier to find stuff.